Hello, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today's topic is adverbs and kinds of adverbs. Let's get started. What are adverbs? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, an adverb, or a sentence. Let's see one by one. Adverbs modify verbs. He speaks fluently. Speaks verb and fluently is modifying how does he speak. Next example, you run fast. Now fast is an adverb modifying verb, that is run. Adverbs modify adjectives as well. You are very intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective and very an adverb is modifying it. It is so dark. Dark is an adjective and adverb so is modifying it. Adverbs modify adverbs too. He works very quickly. Very and quickly both are adverbs. So the first one is modifying the second one. One more example. The soldier performed extremely well. Extremely and well both are adverbs. First one is modifying the second one. Adverbs modify sentences as well. Look at that. Fortunately, I am not your friend. Now this fortunately is an adverb that is modifying the whole sentence. I am not your friend. Second example. Sadly, he died. Now he died is the whole sentence and sadly in the beginning of the sentence modifying the whole sentence. Kinds of adverbs. There are 5 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of degree, and adverb of frequency. Let's have a look at all the kinds one by one with examples. Adverbs of manner. You ate hurriedly, he walks quickly, they marched carefully. In these examples, if we ask how to the verb, we can get our adverb of manner. So it answers how. How did he eat? He ate hurriedly. He walks quickly. How does he walk? He walks quickly. They marched gracefully. How did they march? They marched gracefully. So it answers how. Next is adverbs of time. I will come to your home tomorrow. I am going to get my degree the next year. I saw my favorite movie yesterday. Now in all these sentences, tomorrow, the next year, and yesterday are the time expression modifying the verb in terms of time. Adverbs of time answers when. It modifies a verb in terms of time and it tells when does an action take place. Next is adverbs of place. I work out upstairs. Mom walks outside. My father wants me to come here. Now in these sentences, upstairs, outside, and here are modifying adverbs in terms of place. So it answers where. Next kind is adverbs of degree. They entirely agree with him. To what extent do they agree with him? Entirely. He is very sensible. To what extent he is sensible? Very. The players are extremely tired. To what degree players are tired? Extremely. So we can say that it answers to what extent, to what degree an action takes place. Next kind is adverbs of frequency. Examples. I always wake up early in the morning. How often do I wake up early in the morning? Always. He never says no to me. How often Does he say no to me? Never. Next example. Sometimes my brother does not listen to me. How often does my brother not listen to me? Sometimes. It answers how often an action takes place. In today's lecture, we have discussed about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. Hopefully, you all have understood it nicely. If you like the lecture, you can support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. That's all for today. Bye.